Hi, we're the girls from Kukla's Cuisina. I'm Joanne.
I'm Kelly.
And I'm Jackie.
And we're back sidelining again with our broccoli-zucchini toss. This is going to be quick and easy.
Yep.
You won't have a problem doing this one. If you need a quick side, this is what you want to do. So
the most time you're going to spend is just waiting for the vegetable to steam.
Right.
That's it.
So we took some zucchini and some broccoli, and we even added a little bit of broccolini in here, and we cut it up into bite-sized pieces, put it into a steamer basket, and we steamed it for about 10 minutes or so, just until it's like fork tender. You
Just
don't want it
fork
mushy.
tender, yeah.
Okay, and you don't want it to be the bright green because then the vegetables are just going to be too hard.
Yeah.
So that's what
You
we
can
did
also
with
use
these.
broccoli-rabe.
Yeah, you can use broccoli rabe. You know, use whichever one you like best, or
mix
it.
them up.
It's a lot of fun to mix.
Yeah.
So that's what we did here, and we have some shredded carrots here, and we're going to add that while Jackie starts to do the dressing for this.
So I have some olive oil and I'm going to add some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Whisk it up a little. And then I'm going to add some sea salt and some Aleppo pepper.
And the Aleppo will give it that nice little bite that we want in here.
Rich flavor.
Yeah. Okay, whenever you're ready and whisked.
All whisked.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Beautiful.
This is a classic Greek dressing.
Yeah.
That works over just about anything, especially vegetables.
And we really like it with our broccoli and our...
Yeah. If your kids don't like broccoli or spinach, try this dressing on it. They will love it.
And there you go. Our broccoli zucchini toss.
Arrivederci.